Hi guys, this is IT with Ahmed. In today's video, we're going to discuss best cryptocurrency exchanges of 2022. Let's start. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can trade one coin for another, like Bitcoin for Ethereum, or you can buy crypto using a regular currency like US dollar. These platforms facilitate crypto purchases, allow you to convert cryptocurrencies back into dollars and transfer them out of the exchange. Different exchanges come with different features, which may sway you towards choosing one exchange over another. What's a cryptocurrency exchange? Cryptocurrency exchanges are a dime a dozen, but there are only a few we think make sense for long-term crypto investors. The volatile, speculative nature of cryptocurrency investing presents risks for investors no matter how and where you buy it. We believe safety of your investment should be a top priority. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, and each of our favorite exchanges clearly details which security measures they have in place to protect consumers. In general, we think cryptocurrency exchanges that have been around the longest are usually a safer bet than newer ones. How to choose a cryptocurrency exchange? There are few different factors to consider when looking for a cryptocurrency exchange. Here are a few we recommend you look into before choosing one. Accessibility. Not all states or countries allow access to every crypto exchange, so make sure whichever exchange you choose is available where you live. Number two is security. Different exchanges offer different security measures and insurance policies. Number three is fees. Understand what it will cost you to buy and sell crypto on the exchange you choose. Number four is coin offers. Some exchanges offer only a limited amount of coins. Number five is storage. Many exchanges come with an associated crypto wallet offering to help you keep. So far, the long-term value investor who is more concerned with saving for retirement than getting rich quick, here are our picks for best crypto exchanges. The first is Coinbase. Coinbase was the first cryptocurrency exchange to go public on the Nasdaq in 2021, but it's been around since 2012. The cryptocurrency exchange offers over 50 cryptos and a free wallet service with private key access. Coinbase simple interface is easy to use and understand for beginners, but there's also the option to upgrade to a more advanced version. Coinbase Pro if you want additional features for trading cryptocurrencies. Coinbase shares its security measures openly and keep the majority of users' crypto insecure. Offline storage to protect it from threat of hacking and digital theft. Plus, any cash that you keep in Coinbase is FDIC insured up to $250,000. We also like Coinbase education platform that help educate investors about cryptocurrency. For these reasons, we think Coinbase is the best overall crypto exchange for most investors, and it's especially good for beginners. Coinbase fee structure put it onto privacy and compared to other exchanges, but we like the platform's ease of use and upfront security measures, especially for beginners. When you make a transaction, you will be charged both a spread and Coinbase fees. The spread fee is the difference between what the crypto costs and what you pay to buy it or receive for a sale. The spread is approximately 0.5% of your cryptocurrency sales and purchase, but can be more depending on the cryptocurrencies you are trading. The Coinbase fee on the top of your spread fee varies based on your location, payment method, and other factors. However, crypto to crypto transactions like trading Bitcoin for Ethereum are not subject to Coinbase fee. You will also incur different fee for things like using certain method to fund your Coinbase wallet or for withdrawing your investment. Cryptocurrency is not protected under any federal regulation, unlike FDIC insured investments. But Coinbase is transparent about its security measures and says it stores 98% of customers' cryptocurrency in offline cold storage. The remaining 2% is used to facilitate trading. While your investments are not FDIC insured, Coinbase itself has insurance policy to protect crypto holdings. Even so, there is no guarantee that your coin or cash will be fully returned to you if a hack occurs. While your coins are not protected by the government, any cash you keep in your wallet is FDIC insured up to $250,000. The next in this list is Gemini. Gemini was launched in 2015 and is good for both beginners, investors, and active traders. Gemini offers over 40 cryptocurrencies and a suite of products that can add value for more seasoned investors. Gemini is very open about its security measures and keep the majority of your cryptocurrency in an offline cold storage system. Gemini offers tools and upgrade features that can be helpful for more advanced traders, but also has a similar interface to help beginners get their grounding. Plus, people with more crypto knowledge could find value in Gemini's suite of additional products: Gemini Earn, Cryptopedia, Gemini Wallet and Gemini Custody, Active Trader, and Gemini Pay. You will be charged a convenience and transaction fee when you buy or sell cryptocurrency on Gemini. The total fee will be displayed as your coded price before the transaction is finalized. The convenience fee is usually about 0.5% of the Gemini market price for a given trade, though it can vary, and is charged to crypto that purchase. The transaction fee is based on the amount you are trading. Crypto to crypto traders like Bitcoin or Ethereum are charged a standard 1.49% transaction fee. For buying and selling, the transaction fee varies by type of cryptocurrency. Gemini says it holds the majority of your cryptocurrency in an offline cold storage system, but a small portion is kept online in a hot wallet that's insured against theft from a security breach, hack, a fraudulent transfer, or employee theft. Next in this list is Etoro. Etoro opened to investors in the US as a cryptocurrency exchange in 2018. Crypto trading on the platform is limited to 43 states, with Delaware, Hawaii, Minnesota, Nevada, New Hampshire, New York, and Tennessee being excluded from participating. This is the only platform we recommend that not available in all 50 states, but we think it has features that make it interesting for people in the state where it is available. Etoro offers a simple interface and over 20 cryptocurrencies to choose from. EToro offers fewer coins than other exchanges, just over 20, but experts recommend sticking with the two most popular coins anyway, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are available on the platform. Etoro offers a unique feature, Etoro Virtual Portfolio, which lets you participate investing up to $100,000 worth of crypto and track its progress. This tool can help users get a sense of how volatile cryptocurrency is. The fee you pay on Toro are based solely on spread, the difference between what the crypto is selling for and what you pay for it. Spread can fluctuate depending on the cryptocurrency you choose and current market price. Etoro has a mix of hot and cold storage to protect your assets, and any US dollar in your account are held in FDIC insured custodial accounts. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.